It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you are going to finally get to see the sugar skull look. This is the Day of the Dead inspired look. I have some 3D makeup artistry going on, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It is a pinch bit long, but it is worth it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this black makeup crayon and outline the areas of my face that will be mostly black. Holding this crayon was kind of tricky because it started coming off on the other end in my hand. So if you are doing this, just try to hold it on that silver part. After that's done, I went in with some powder on my eyes, and this was just to kind of mattify that area. I did cleanse and moisturize my face before this, and I didn't want to put any product straight on my moisturized skin. So after I have my eyelid powder, I'm going to start cutting my crease, and I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base in white. And I'm basically just outlining where I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. And to keep with the theme, I am going to be using red, blue, and purple eyeshadow. And these are the palettes that I will be using. So before you apply the eyeshadow, you want to make sure that that base is smooth. You don't want to apply eyeshadow on top of a unsmooth base. Then I just go in with 3 different brushes and start packing that eyeshadow on. Now I'm going to go in with this cream makeup. This is one of the products that I got in my Walmart haul. And I'm going to basically paint my whole face white, and my nose, around my mouth, and around my eye is going to be black. Now during this video, I was dealing with some allergy issues, so I had to paint my mouth area so many times. So that was kind of a struggle with this look, but other than that, the look was fun and simple. I tried to use a beauty sponge to apply this, but that did not work at all. The same way it applied it, it removed it. So this method did not work for me. I went in with a big kind of powder brush, and this really got the white on there quickly. So this one was a go. Then I started going in with the black. For some reason, the black is a lot easier to apply, but I was working with smaller areas. For the white, you're going to see me go in with a second coat. And the magic happens when you add the second coat. Trying to get around my eyes was kind of difficult. I did switch to a smaller brush to get those little lines around the mouth. And I finished up the other eye off camera so that I can concentrate on getting around that eyeshadow. Now this is that second coat of white that I was telling you about. And you can see how when you go in with the second coat, it just makes everything look so much better. It's not blotchy or see-through anymore. You can really get a nice coverage. So now that the whole face is white, I'm going to go in with that black makeup crayon again and start outlining where my flowers will be. I tried to go in with the red crayon. It wasn't really picking up, but I just marked where I was going to paint red. And for the other areas, I went in with, I kind of mixed the blue and the red together to get purple, but it wasn't as purple as I would have liked it to be. But the blue color was nice, so I just went with that. So this is the red paint that I'm going to be using after I have marked that area out. And this is that same paint that I used for the Wonder Woman look and some other looks that I have done. So if y'all have not watched those videos, make sure y'all check those out on my channel. So this is the blue. I liked it. It kind of matched the blue in the eyeshadow. Here I am painting my mouth again. I kept having to remove the paint and reapply it because my nose kept running. I was sneezing. It was just a rough time. And like I said, that second coat is where the magic happens. So I'm going over that red again. The blue was pretty pigmented, so I didn't really have to go over that again. So now I'm going in with that smaller brush to just outline those petals. Then I went in with the red cream paint to do the little petals around my eyes, and I could have used this for the petals on my forehead and chin, but I didn't want to do that. So I'm using this brush that kind of comes to a point, and I'm doing these kind of half moon shapes. And a little of this red is getting onto the black, but that's okay. When I do my second coat of black, it's going to fix all of that. Painting my mouth again. Goodness. Here I put a little black on the inside of my mouth and on the inside of my nose. Not all the way inside, but. So I did the other eye off camera. Now I am doing my second coat of that black, and you can see how doing that second coat, it just really makes everything nice and defined. At this point, I believe I put tissue in my nose to stop it from running. So that worked out a little bit, but it was still running like crazy. So now I'm going in with some rhinestones, and for this look, I used a combination of liquid latex and eyelash glue. What I learned is that when applying like single stones like here on my forehead, this works better when I use the lash glue. As you see, it came off and I had to reapply it. Now for the rhinestones around my eyes, that works better with the liquid latex. I tried to apply it with the lash glue because the liquid latex wasn't really working on my forehead. But as soon as I applied it and kind of pulled on it a little bit, it just popped off. So when you're going around the curves of your face, it lays better if it's not fully connected. So I tried to break it off, but it just came off. So this is me using the liquid latex, and it just was on there. So if you are trying this at home, definitely grab you some liquid latex. I got this one from Walmart in that Walmart haul, and it worked great. You do want to let it get a little tacky, but not too tacky. When it gets too tacky or basically dry, it's not going to stick. Toward the end, when I was going around the curves, I just started breaking the pieces up into smaller pieces so that they can lay better. And here I had to go in and cut that piece that was connected so that it could lay better. And in any areas where the paint came off, I just went in with a little bit more red paint. Here you can see I had to repaint my mouth again. So here I decided to paint my lips black. When I held that tape up to my mouth, I felt like the nail tips should be up against a black background. So after my nose kept running, I had to remove the paint and paint my mouth again. I tried to just apply the liquid latex to my lips and then stick the nails in, but that did not work. So I put the liquid latex on kind of like the side walls of the press-on nails, and then used some tweezers to apply them to my lips, and this method worked out great. Y'all gonna have to put in the comments below how many times you saw me paint my mouth. So I had all of the nail tips stuck to a piece of tape in order. I started with 2 big sizes in the middle and then, went smaller toward the outsides. Now I'm going in with some of my Itz Sirap glitter, and this is burgundy and black. I'm going to put some of that burgundy on this red petal on my forehead, and I'm putting the black glitter in those hollow areas of my cheeks. And this just added another element The rhinestones are popping, so I wanted some glitter and some shimmer to pop as well. I was loving this, but I also decided to add some glitter onto the teeth. They look too plain, so I was like, let's just add some glitter onto them. I also added some black glitter onto my nose. So this is what I use for the teeth or the press-on nails. I used the glitter primer and then applied the glitter everywhere that I applied the glitter. And you can use whatever glitter primer you like. So after I did that to the top and the bottom, it gave me that extra sparkle that I needed. Now it is time to put the wig on. And when I popped that headband on, it was amazing. So I had to go in and add my lashes. I almost forgot. I'm using my lashes in the style Assertive and some of my paparazzi earrings. And look, paint my mouth again. And that was the look. So I did the full outfit for you guys like the last video. Nice little slow-mo. And a close-up shot so y'all can see how awesome that eye looks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure that you put some suggestions and some comments below and let me know how many times I painted my mouth in this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This look was crazy, and with my allergies and my nose running, this white paint around my mouth and everything, y'all saw, but thank y'all for hanging in there with me. This was actually fun. It was very different for me. I love how the nails and the hair and the head tie and everything just goes together for one big look. This is something that I really wanted to do for you guys, so I'm so excited that you guys have tuned in and watched. So make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose. Find what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.